Hi, welcome to Glory Investing Show. I am going to introduce you to a list of stocks that actually pay you on a monthly basis. Explore 5 monthly dividend stocks that you can buy today to generate passive income from your investment portfolio. 1. Realty Income. 16.8% compound average annual total return. 592 consecutive monthly dividends paid. 16.8% compound annualized dividend growth since 1994. 88 consecutive quarterly increases. 61.6% P to E ratio. 97% payout ratio. You're getting almost 6% a year in dividends, or still 0.48% a month values. Is this stock a buy for you? 2. Disney. 1.3% dividend, 2 years growth, and 30% payout. 17.1 P to E ratio. About 15% in a year and 47% in 5. The run-up in January, PepsiCo at 2.7% for February. Disney stock climbed as much as 3% from a 142.47 flat-based buy point before pulling back with the broader market. And now the flat base is 147.25 buy point. What about this stock? 3. Apple Hospitality. It franchises its properties out to leading brands, including 114 Marriott-branded hotels, 126 Hilton-branded hotels, and 1 Hyatt-branded hotel, Apple Hospitality. 9.2% total, or turnout, looked comprised of 7.4% dividend yield and 1.8% projected share price appreciation. What do you think about this stock? 4. STAG. Credit losses are less than 0.1% of its revenue since its IPO. 55% of the tenants are publicly rated and 29.5% of the tenants are ready to invest. 10.4% average annual return over the next 5 years due to its 5% dividend and 5.4% expected share price appreciation. How about this stock? Will it work for you? 5. SPHD. The next one is a bit safer than the rest because it's a combination of stocks. The S&P 500 High Dividend ETF, or SPHD, containing 50 dividend-paying companies up to 7% in a year, 32% in 5 years, and 60% in 7 good games. Here, with 4.5% dividends, they've been paying dividends since 2012 every single month. At 7 years in terms of value, 14.9% P to E ratio. I invite you to subscribe to this channel and like this video, which will help more people discover about dividends, investors, and education. If you are interested about learning more, subscribe to our channel and smash the like button to help us with the YouTube algorithm.